Hi, welcome to Infinite Open Source Solutions LLP. Here we are explaining about Unilevel MLM software admin dashboard. You can see here the total e-wallet amount in the company, sales, payout, internal mail, admin replicated link, lead capture page, global view of users who registered from different regions, user join as a graph, membership package sale details, just to do note, top earners name and amount, compensation plan settings links. Let's go through each menu. Downline, genealogy tree. It will show the members and their sponsors as a network tree. When you move the mouse over members in tree, you can see more details of that person as a tooltip. It is very difficult when the members in the system are big, then it is best to show the users as a tabular tree. The tree will expand while we are clicking on the icon. Unilevel list will show all users in the network. You can see user first name, enrollment date, level from admin. Next is sign up. Here you can add members manually. You will have the option to add multiple members at a time by Excel file. Keep all member detail as an Excel file in the specified format and upload. The e-wallet section shows different types of commissions we are getting. All transactions tab will show each commission get by a member. Also have the option to filter out by debit, credit, different types of commission, date, etc. Withdrawal and outward fund list out the payout commission collected from system and ePIM purchased. Debit credit is to add or deduct fund to users. Member-to-member fund transfer can do in fund transfer tab. We can generate reports from the transfer history tab. E-wallet details show the amount credited and debited. We can see each user's earnings by user earnings tab. Withdrawal status will show active fund withdrawal request, approved payment but status is pending, approved the paid payment, rejected request. E-wallet balance tab will show each member's current e-wallet amount. User overview tab is the admin feature to see each individual user's personal details, commission details, referral, e-wallet, purchase wallet, ePIM and amount withdraw details. Admin can see member sponsor details. Members e-wallet details. Members purchase wallet details. ePIN. Purchase wallet. From all commissions, we keep a certain percentage to purchase wallet. Only this amount is used to purchase products from the shopping cart. Business summary, all types of commissions, ePIN details, product purchase details etc. will show here. Business transactions, here you can see all types of income like product sale, registration etc. and expense like payout released, different types of commissions etc. ePIN. New ePIN you can create and assign to a member, also can see all the ePIN already generated. ePIN request, you can see all members requested ePIN with account. PIN allocation, this is the process of assigning ePIN to a specific user. View ePIN, all ePIN is listed here. ePIN transfer, this is member-to-member ePIN transfer option. ePIN purchase, admin can purchase ePIN on behalf of members. ePIN settings, total number of active ePIN and characters appearing ePIN should be configured here. Member management, each member's personal details we can see from the profile view. List/search member, all members listed here and you have a search option. Change password, member and admin password can change from here. Block/unblock, it is admin privilege to block and unblock member. Membership reactivation, admin will have the option to reactivate membership package. KYC details, admin will have the option to verify KYC know your customer. Update PV, admin can manually add or deduct PV of each member. Payout release, here admin can release the commissions to members. Confirm transfer, after successfully transferred the commissions to members admin can confirm it. Cart, internal shopping cart for members and product approval. Package membership, this is joint package for members. Cart, internal cart for members and category management option. Report, profile report, individual user report, the report generated by giving count and the report generated by start and end count. Activate deactivate report. Monthly revenue, income is calculated by member registrations and purchases and expense by commission payout and adding additional expense. Transaction error report. Total bonus report. It will show the total commission received for each user and have the option to export as Excel or CSV. Configuration log report. Top earners, top earned commission get for users. Rank performance report. It will show current rank, next rank and the qualification details. Rank achievers report. We can take a report for each rank or multiple qualified members. Commission report. Take the report based on different types of commission get by the user. ePIN transfer report. Payout released report. It will show the details of payout released on a certain date or in between dates. Purchase report. Members purchase report. Personal data export. We can export a report of each individual personal details, commissions, activity history, etc. Promotional tools, text invites, this is text invitation script. Banner invites, banner ad is a form of advertising on the worldwide. Social invite details. Upload material, this uploaded document can be seen by members. News management, add information in the news section. FAQ. Admin can create a FAQ for members about the company, compensation plan, etc. Feedback. Admin can view the feedback submitted by members. Privileged user. Registration. Admin can add persons who can manage finance, HR, administration, etc. Set permission. Here admin can assign permission to each section they can access. Activity history, can see all activity done by each privileged user. View user, list of all privileged user. Settings, general settings, this is the general settings of the compensation plan. Compensation plan settings, here you can set plan setting as level commission, rank commission, referral commission, matching bonus, pool bonus, fast start bonus, performance bonus, repurchase sale commission. Rank settings. You can create your own rank based on referral count, personal PV, group PV, join package, etc. Payout. Admin can set minimum payout, the maximum payout, payout request validity and payout through payment gateways like PayPal, BlockTrail, Blockchain and BirthGo. Payment. Here admin can set the payment should be received like payment gateway, ePIN, e-wallet, free join and bank transfer. ePIN. Here you can set minimum active ePIN and characters on there. Sign up settings. Admin can restrict sign up, sponsor name, email notification and age restrictions. Pending registrations. Enable the listed payment method through which the registration can be on the pending status and need approval for registration. Username setting and custom registration fields also can configure here. Mail settings. Admin can set registration mail, it will go after completing registration. Members will get mail when he or she get any commission from the system. SMS settings, currency settings, all predefined currency value you can set here. Tooltip, members name and commission details we can enable disable, it will show on genealogy tree. Mailbox, this internal mail system can compose emails to members. Inbox and send mail is there. SMS, when SMS setting is configured, we can send SMS to a new member, existing member or to all members. Support Center, this is the admin member support ticketing system. Ticket view option, add category, the status of the ticket, open ticket, resolved ticket and create FAQ option is there. Transaction password, admin can change and send transaction password to members. CRM, can see ongoing leads, accepted leads, rejected leads, missed follow-up, recent leads, add leads and view/edit leads. Activity history, admin can see all activities happened on the software like login, logout, changing contact details, etc. Also can see activity details by each member or by IP address. Thank you for watching the video. Feel free to contact us if you have any queries.